Hi everyone, this is a mail call from Old Path. This is what I won on his channel here a couple weeks ago, and I finally got it. So let's open it up and see what we got here. Looky here, looky here. Box of goodies. Put it in there. Got some literature. More literature. Alright. Got a lot to read. We bought a little baggie of goodies here. And my big finger here. Old Path sticker. Some soap. Boy, that smells good. And a pen. Alright. Just a little bit of goodies. Now let's see the coat rack. Oh yeah. Looky there. See it good. Nice heavy duty coat rack. And some more literature. Appreciate it, Old Path. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a good one.